What is Paradise? For many, it's the convenience of a great meal served up quickly. And no one knows better than you when people want it, they want it now. That's why it's important to have a fast, easy-to-use point-of-sale system. And it's why we created Paradise POS. Paradise features an incredibly intuitive interface because it's built around iOS. If you can use a phone, you can easily adapt to Paradise. And since it's built for iPad, it can be as mobile as you want it to be. Paradise also features easy-to-use employee management tools. Employees can clock in and out with our terminals, and you can easily export that data to accounting for payroll. Paradise addresses challenges only restaurants face. For instance, Paradise also offers a customizable KDS so that your kitchen staff can see orders that are sent back to them with the name, items on the ticket, and time sent. Paradise POS offers closing features that work well with the quick service industry. Blind drawer counts to help reduce theft, printed drawer reports when a drawer is closed for accountability, ability to track employee tips and tip out employees from the cash drawer, as well as a CFD, customer-facing display. Paradise POS has robust inventory management capabilities that can help you reduce waste and keep inventory costs under control. Hopefully you've never had to turn away a guest because your POS was down. Our peer-to-peer feature allows terminals to communicate with each other without an internet connection. Knowing exactly what's happening within your business is a key to its success. With Paradise, you can generate reports that will provide you with valuable insights to keep your costs down. Quick service restaurant owners choose Paradise POS because it combines solid POS system functionality with the convenience and simplicity of an iPad interface. We're certain that choosing Paradise POS will be one of the best business decisions you will ever make.